Hello students, today we will solve exercise 4.1. Before that, let's understand few important things that you watch in video also. As we know student, general form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equals 0 where a and b are real numbers, and general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equals 0 where a, b and c are real numbers, and this is the specific condition where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Why? If any of the coefficient is 0, the given equation will convert into linear equation in one variable. So this is the important condition. A is not equal to 0 and b is also not equal to 0. Let's solve exercise 4.1, and question number 1 is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. As you can see here student, there are two things, notebook and pen. So we will suppose here there are two variables. Let cost of one notebook equals to rupees x and cost of one pen is rupees y. Now according to question, it is given that the cost of notebook is twice. Twice it means double the cost of a pen. So the cost of notebook is here x, is it means equals to, twice it means we will multiply by 2, and cost of a pen as we suppose is y. So x equals to 2y. Now we can easily convert it into standard form also. Just you have to shift this 2y into left hand side, and then we will get x minus 2y equals to 0. This is the representation of this given statement into linear equation in two variables. Second question is express in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 and indicate the values a, b and c. And first equation is given here, 2x plus 3y equal 9.35 bar. We have to convert this equation into standard form, and then we will find the values of a, b and c. So as we know student, x and y variables already in the left hand side. Now we will shift this constant term also in left hand side, and what we will get? We will get minus 9.35 bar equal 0. So this term is converted in the form of ax plus by equals 0. Now we will compare this given equation with this standard form, and then we will find the values of a, b and c. As we know student, the coefficient of x is a, here the coefficient of x is 2, so the value of x will 2. Coefficient of y is b, here the coefficient of y is 3, so the value of b will be 3. Value of a is 2 and the value of b is 3. And constant term is your, as you can see here, minus 9.35 bar. So the value of a is 2, coefficient of x, the value of b is 3, coefficient of y, and constant term is minus 9.35 bar. Second part is x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equals 0. As you can see here, this equation is already in the form of standard. X variable, y variable and constant term, all the terms are in the left hand side, and in right hand side there is 0. So just we have to compare and we will find the value of a, b and c. Here the coefficient of x, there is no number here, but as we know, if there is no number it means 1 is there, so the value of a will be 1. coefficient of y, as you can easily see here, the coefficient of y is with sign minus 1 upon 5, and the constant term is here minus 10. Third part, minus 2x plus 3y equal 6. First we will convert it into standard form. For that we will shift this 6 into left hand side and we will get minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal 0. Now we will compare and we will find the value of a. Coefficient of x is minus 2, so the value of a is minus 2. Coefficient of y is 3, so the value of b will be 3, and constant term is c, and here c is minus 6. Next part, x equal 3y. Here first we will shift this y term into left hand side, x minus 3y. As you can see here student, there is no constant term. So in constant term what we will write? We will write 0, because we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. For that only. Here coefficient of x is 1, a equal 1. Coefficient of y equal minus 3, so b equal minus 3, and c will be 0 here. Okay student. Next, 2x equal minus 5y. Again we will shift, minus will convert into positive, no constant term, so we will write 0. Coefficient of x 2, a will be 2. Coefficient of y 5, b equal 5, constant term is 0. Next part, 3x plus 2 equal 0. As you can see here student, here x term is in the equation and constant term is also here, but there is no y term. So in place of y term what we will write? We will write 0 into y. Again we will get 0 and plus 2 constant term. This is the standard form of this equation. So if any equation, if one term is missing, so we can write in that place 0. Okay, here coefficient of x is 3, a equal 3. Coefficient of y is 0, b equal 0, and constant term, it means c equal 2. Next part, y minus 2 equals 0. As you can see here, x is missing, so what we will write? We will write 0 dot x. It means 0 multiplied by x plus y minus 2 equals 0. Coefficient of x is 0, value of a will 0. Coefficient of y is here, no number, it means 1, b will 1, and c equal minus 2. And last part, 5 equal 2x. As you can see here student, the places of variable and constant is changed. So what we can write? 0 equal 2x. Since there is no y term, so what we will write? 0 dot y. And when you shift this plus 5 into right hand side, what you will get? Minus 5. Again this equation you can write in this way also, 2x plus 0 dot y minus 5 equal 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Here coefficient of x is 2, the value of a will 2, coefficient of y is 0, y will 0, and constant term is your minus 5.